Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red, white, and blue stained glass Jello. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 boxes of Jello. You want those to be the 6 ounces, 1 red and 1 blue. Then, of course, you're going to need all the water to prepare those per back of the boxes. 2 packs of unflavored gelatin, and you're also going to need 2 more cups of boiling water for those. A can of sweetened condensed milk, that's 14 ounces. And then some casserole dishes. So I'm just using these 9 by 13. This one's round, but it doesn't matter because we are going to cut our Jello up. So you just need one of those for each of your flavors. I also have this little star cookie cutter that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to make my red Jello right now. I have my 2 cups of water boiling. I have my Jello out in my 9 by 13 dish, and I'm just going to pour that in and then add my 2 cups of cold after the Jello is all dissolved into the boiling water. My red Jello is ready to go. I already added my 2 cups of cold water, and I did spray my pans with cooking spray before I put the Jello in. Just I didn't mention that earlier, but you do want to do that so it doesn't stick. So now I'm going to cover this one and get it in the refrigerator. Now my blue Jello is ready to be covered and added to the refrigerator as well. We are going to refrigerate that for probably about 6 hours. Okay, my 6 hours is up. I left my Jello in the refrigerator, and now I have my last 2 cups of water boiling on the stove. I'm going to stir in my unflavored gelatin packets until they dissolve, and then I'm going to add my sweetened condensed milk to that, and then I'll let it cool to room temperature. That mixture is nice and incorporated, so now I'm just going to let that cool to room temperature, and I'm going to get out my red Jello. Alright, I have my red and my blue Jello out, and I just took my star cookie cutter. I don't know if you can see my little stars in there. And then I just took my spatula and poured half of the red in here. So some of them you can really see the stars, some of them you can't. But we're just going to layer that red and blue until we use up all of our Jello. Both of my Jellos have been cut up and added to my pan. I mean, I can kind of see the stars. I guess you can see them. If not, you can just cut yours into little squares with a knife. You don't have to do the stars. That's up to you. I just alternated my blue and my red until it was all used up. My mixture is almost ready to get poured over top of here. You just don't want it to be hot because it will melt the colors and then it will just blend together. Okay, my mixture has cooled off enough, so I went ahead and poured it over top of my Jello. And you can see some of the colors did still run, but that's okay. It looks amazing, but we do have to cover this and refrigerate it overnight, or at least 6 hours. Okay, my dessert has been in the refrigerator overnight, so I just took a knife and cut it into little squares, and we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. I have some here for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.